Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create short form videos on CapCut. I'm just going to select this video, for instance, of a person explaining something. I'm just going to obviously change the topic because I do not know maths. Not proud of it, but anyways, I'm going to change the ratio to 9:16, adjust it so she's in the middle. Then I'm going to add text. Obviously, feel free to do the auto captions. I just don't have any audio right now of whatever the person's saying. Just waiting for this to load. My CapCut has been lagging a lot, so here are 5 facts. And then you can use this, or you can even go to effects here and select from the effects that they already have. It does take a while to load. Or you can go to animation and select the ones that they have. I think it's under styles or something. Let's see, which one do I want? Or if you do use text to speech, they do have, oh sorry, like if you use auto captions, they'll have like kind of a text template that you guys can use, like this, like a vlog one or like a social media one. And there's these trending ones that you can use, maybe like this one. Oh, well, I guess I'll need to do it here. Here are, whoops, 5 facts here are 5 facts about blah blah blah, and then you can also use other titles and stuff like that. You can use some audio cues as well. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!